Recently, the Northeast has witnessed certain seismic and earthquake activities in Mizoram, parts of Assam. Mizoram में the magnitude was as less as 4.2, so not very scary. इसके पहले January 25 में हो चुका है in areas called as Champai in Mizoram, जिसका magnitude थोड़ा ज़्यादा था but not as scary. But we have witnessed seismic activities असम में, मणिपुर में, नागालैंड में. And of course, the most infamous one जो recent हुआ म्यांमार में, Sagaing Fault near Mandalay, that was a very bad one. Now, when we talk about earthquakes, we must realize the entire Himalayas are earthquake prone. और Himalayas ही नहीं, when I say Himalayas, I mean from Nanga Parbat in western Himalayas to Namcha Barwa part of Tibet bordering India, वहाँ तक Himalayas है. पर इसके बियॉन्ड जो है पार्ट्स ऑफ सुलेमान किरतार रेंज इन पाकिस्तान, हिंदू कुश माउंटेन्स अफगानिस्तान में एंड द पूर्वांचल हिल्स नॉर्थ ईस्ट में अलॉन्ग विद अरकन योमा पेगु योमा इन म्यांमार, ये पूरा एरिया अर्थक्वेक जोन है because it is an active continent collision boundaries. But what happens is, in our recent memories, most of the earthquakes that we remember are the earthquakes in the western part of Himalayas. हम सुनते हैं earthquakes कश्मीर में, हिमाचल प्रदेश में, उत्तरकाशी, तेहरी, earthquakes impacting Delhi, and of course we also hear in Afghanistan. Eastern Himalayas में सुनते नहीं, we don't hear about them. And I've been asked questions, sir, are East Himalayas not as prone? The fact is, East Himalayas are very, very prone. In fact, they are among the more vulnerable regions. आप earthquake का vulnerability map देखेंगे, northeast part of Sikkim, Mizoram, they come under zone 5, which is most the earthquake vulnerable regions of India. अब हुआ है कि recent couple of decades में यहाँ पर earthquakes नहीं हुए हैं, तो हम भूल गए हैं. We remember more Latur earthquake, we remember more Alaband Bhuj earthquake, Uttarkashi earthquake, but East Himalayas are more earthquake prone compared to West Himalayas. In fact, Kathmandu earthquake was a very bad one. इसके अलावा, if you go back to history, the most powerful earthquakes have happened in East Himalayas. यहाँ पर की magnitude has been more than 8, 8.1, 8.6. The worst India has witnessed in terms of magnitude is 8.6 magnitude, which impacted parts of Assam, and it was in 1950 where almost more than 3,000 people died. इससे ज़्यादा devastating the Bihar-Nepal earthquake where the magnitude was 8.1, and this was in 1934 that impacted almost 90,000 people dying. So East Himalayas ऐसा नहीं है कि is safe from earthquakes. They're more vulnerable, but yes, in recent history, हमने ज़्यादा East Himalaya में सुना नहीं है. Linked to this concept, a core concept called the seismic gap of India. So allow me to come back and explain this in one other videos. Keep watching me for these type of geography quick stories at YouTube Shorts.